2022, EM have been working hard on the power delivery. Now got the power softer and smooth at the bottom, but then revving out harder at the top, so a higher RPM. The traction control is also a key feature for the Escape model. On 2022 it's also got new brake discs, new rear sprocket, and as mentioned before, the new suspension settings which really improve how the bike handles. And with a seat height of 820mm, you know, it's a bike that can suit nearly all riders. The seat's nice and comfortable and the power is very, very forgiving. The Escape also has the capability to fit an option called the schoolboy mat.
Introducing the new Kuberg Ranger. A unique crossbreed of a high-performance dirt bike and a functional city scooter. It's as fun as it is functional and as powerful as it is practical. Hit the dirt and the track. There's no compromise on the Ranger's versatility and no limit to its fun. The Ranger features Go Anywhere mode. Exclusive to Kuberg, it's a combination of power, torque, lightness, and silence that you just won't find in another bike. It's a one-of-a-kind bike with a one-of-a-kind construction for a one-of-a-kind riding experience. With over 9 years in the making and 7,000 bikes behind us and sold in 43 countries, we're proven pioneers of the electric motorcycle industry. Scooter or dirt bike, you decide.
Power and efficiency are both fundamental aspects of our company. With the Stark Varg, we have developed the most advanced electric motorcycle powertrain in the world. With 30% higher peak power than the fastest 450 today, this is the motocross with the highest power-to-weight ratio on the planet. With this powertrain, you never need to change gear or use a clutch, making it easier and more fun to ride. The range of Stark Varg is similar to a full tank of gas on a 450. The bike can complete a full heat at MXGP intensity or up to 6 hours of trail riding. A full recharge will take you 1 to 2 hours. There is 6 kWh of battery capacity, and our battery system is the most energy dense in the world. So let's talk about our chassis. The Stark Varg weighs only 110 kilos or 242 pounds, fully charged. Our carbon fiber front subframe works both as an air tunnel for cooling and bodywork ergonomics, and a pretty cool detail is the 24-karat gold logo on top of it. We also integrated lifting handles into the rear subframe, which is produced in 7000 series aero-grade aluminium, and by using the motor case as a structural component, we were able to develop the world's lightest motocross frame.
Today I had an opportunity to test these two motorcycles. As you can see, they are electric motorcycles and they are made from the Czech company. This one with the fluo green or fluo yellow color is a little bit faster because it has different gear ratio, and it has also bigger wheels. The electric engine has a nominal power output around 12 kilowatts and almost 15 kilowatts in the peak. The bike is perfect for enduro, downhill and some easier trials riding. It has around 50 kilograms, which is pretty light considering it's an electric enduro motorcycle. The CZEM motorcycle is very friendly and I really enjoyed riding it.
After saying so much about how the Storm Bee is such a wild machine, I want to let you know that it is also a very forgiving bike, which is great for both beginners and experienced riders. You can ride at your own pace and adjust the bike to the level you are comfortable with, and then work your way up. The throttle, unlike a normal bike, is very linear, and how much you twist is how much you get. There is no clutch, just twist the throttle and go. Also, for riders switching over from years with a regular bike, you will be happy to know there is a foot brake option and customizable engine braking strength in the settings. Let's discuss safety. Every version of the bike comes with a parking brake, so that when you are on a steep hill or on complex terrain, the bike will not start rolling backwards when you let off the power or stop suddenly. The Enduro version and the road version can be equipped with ABS components to further enhance the safety of the rider when braking. There is also a tile switch on the handlebars that you can press, and an automatic side stand switch sensor, which cuts off the power when the bike is on the stand.
This is the Kalk ampersand. It'll go top speed about 60 miles an hour. You've got adjustability for power, you've got adjustability for regeneration, which essentially is engine feedback, which charges back into the battery. It will go 3 hours off-road in trails. It's a 2.6 kilowatt hour battery with 50 amp hours and runs about 52 volts. The battery is a quite expensive bit. You can pull this seat off, pull the battery out, and be charging it separately if you wanted to have another battery, so you could just keep going. Put the new battery in and keep going another 3 hours. But I can tell you that even riding around town with my fat butt on it, I was able to get like 30-40 miles out of it, riding it full throttle everywhere I went. There's a reason the iPhone is the best seller, and it's because it has all of those things in one package. And this, to me, is the iPhone of e-bikes. There's a lot of e-bikes out there. There's a lot of inexpensive things out there that you can purchase that are although I support them and they're still great to ride, if you want to get the one that's the best, that kind of does all of it the best, this is that bike. The bikes like this are going to bring people to motorcycling that perhaps didn't consider it before, but this makes it extremely approachable and still capable.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
The Grunt from Volcon is designed to be the ultimate two-wheel off-road electric vehicle. With a range of over 75 miles and a waterproof drivetrain, the Grunt is versatile enough to take on any trail. Hot swappable batteries give the Grunt unparalleled range and stump-pulling torque. The adjustable suspension can be dialed in for any type of terrain or work. Volcon has designed the Grunt to be accessible to riders of any skill level. With no clutch, gearbox, or intimidating height, its low seat, nimble handling, and progressive power delivery make it easy to dominate any trail. Gas motorcycles require extensive maintenance. Regular oil changes, cleaning air filters, adjusting valves, replacing clutch plates, cleaning fuel jets or injectors, and after 150 hours of use, riders could be faced with a complete engine rebuild. Electric motorcycles require almost no maintenance. Check the tires, lube the chain, and go. Volcon vehicles don't live in concept labs and pitch decks. They live in the dirt, the sand, and the deep woods. Our roadmap features a vehicle lineup focused on the largest growing segments of the powersports market to become the future of outdoor work and adventure. In early 2021, riders will experience the power of silence as the Grunt begins shipping worldwide. We invite you to join us as a visionary partner by investing in Volcon today as we define the powersports experience of tomorrow.